Hi, my name is Denise Velez, and I have not collaborated with any other person in this live video. Okay, so now we're going to go to StatCrunch. I'm going to share my screen. Okay, now I have data sheet bin, and I'm going to show you how to pull up your 5-number summary. And you go to Stats, Summary Stats. You're going to go to Columns because we want to get the gender and the age. And we're going to hit age right here where it says column, and we're going to group it by gender. Is categorical because it does not add up to anything, so it's not quantitative. So remember that gender is categorical, okay? And then we're going to pick 5 number summaries that we want for them to show us, which is the mean, the median. Mean is the average of all your numbers put. The median is the Q1 and the Q3. That is the whole data set when you put it all together. Wait, I forgot, I did this wrong. Okay, so when you click the mean, you have to press Control, then go down, then you go to the median, which is the middle number, then you go to Q1 and Q3. They separate your data into groups, so you'll have 3 different groups, okay? And your mode. So these are the 5 things that you want. Then you're going to hit compute. Okay, so here is your summary. It has the genders, female, male. It has mean, medium, Q1, Q3, and mode. Okay, the mode is the most repeated. Mean is everything all summed up. And then it is the average. Mean is the average, okay? Now, so you have this right here, and then you are going to go to, if you want to know how to make a graph, you go to bar plot, and you could do it with some, and then you select your variables, which we want is gender, and we want it in the counts of age. Now view. Okay, so this is your bar plot. Then we're going to do graph. We're going to do a okay, so we did a bar plot, and then we're going to do a pie chart so you can see what the sum. Click gender, count, age, and then you hit compute. Pie chart. So you have your pie chart, you have your bar graph, okay? And next, we're going to create a dot plot. So you're going to go to graph, you hit dot plot, group by gender, and then you're going to hit compute. So you see the 20s right there for them. Okay. Now this is the dot plot, and then if you want to plot, you come over here to box plot, hit age, group by gender. Then you could use fences to identify outliers and draw boxes horizontally. Here shows you all your outliers. You could see, you know, right here, if you go over, it'll show you the Q1, Q3 medium. And over here, if you click over it, it shows you all here the best to use, because you can actually see all the outliers and it's more friendlier to the eye. Leaf, you go to graph, you click stem and leaf. Again, you hit A, and then you group by gender, and then compute. So you see all the different ways that you could use StatCrunch here. which is the box plot. I believe this is the best one to use to look at this information. And have a great night.